Today can be anything we choose. Can you fly to the moon? You wouldn't think so, but with my imagination, look at me go. When I think a little more, that is the trick. With the magic of my mind, I know I can do this. Who wants to play hide and seek? I'm a super seeker. Ready or not, here I come. Hey, that pigeon just stole the last pretzel from Grady's pretzel cart. Get back here, you pigeon. Wow, that's a fast bird. Ahoy, mateys! Who's ready for a great pirate adventure on the high seas? All aboard for some treasure hunting fun. If a job feels too big for you all by yourself, start small, we'll all join in. Come on, everyone can help. We can do great things. Together works the best. We can do most anything, little by little, step by step. I'm having a lot of fun today. Look what I found. Crayons and paints and oh, let's make some art. Wait a second. Why do my toes feel gooey? Oh no, the floor is grape jelly lava. We better not fall in. Follow me. If we want to keep the park beautiful, we all have to do our part to keep it clean. If we all do a little, it can make a big difference. Look around and you'll see there's so much to be thankful for. People, places, feelings, there's so much to be thankful for. There's so much to be thankful for. It looks like the garden needs our help to grow. There's nothing like food fresh from the garden. It's grow time! What's that squirrel up to? That's a lot of acorns! I love you, I love me too. We have so many things we can do, like laughing and playing, learning something new. I love being friends with you. I love you, I love me too. Today can be anything we choose, because I love you. I love you. What should we play today? I love chewy, yummy, twisted pretzels. Let's find Grady's pretzel cart. Let's use our imaginations. Hey, friends!
Hi, Barney.
Did somebody call? What should we play today?
Hey, Barney.
Hey, friends! Here I am! Today can be anything we choose. Hey, friends! Whatever you need, I'm your dinosaur! Let's use our imaginations. Hello! Let's have a lot of fun today.